I think it swings down into another passage.
Well, I mean, I can use this one right here.
I think
Just
that,
follow the footprints.
I don't know if it goes through or not.
Oh, okay, I remember this now. No, I don't remember this. I'm lying. Hey, this is where we lost your older brother.
Who?
Oh, we didn't tell you about him.
Good.
Is that who was down here?
Yeah, that was one of them.
I don't know. Keeps ordering Domino's.
Oh yeah, this is. We crawled up here and had lunch up into the right.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a lot drier than last time. This was hard to climb before.
Yes, it was really slick last time.
Where did Robert go? Yeah. That hole? Where there's a wheel route finds a way.
Or we just reduce head count on the way out. Yeah. There's always an answer.
Julie! So, like, does it open up more than this butthole?
Stick your head in. I'll push you the rest of the way with my foot.
Go backwards, not this way.
This reminds me of like those weird yard playthings you see on like TikTok where they just like slide through a tiny hole. Where did they get?
Yarn?
In the shadow, right?
I think that's where I'm going. Oh, this ain't too bad.
Okay, go.
Robert?
What?
Ah. Yeah, you kind of slide right in. What's that hole go to?
I should actually look where I'm going. Oh, that's my head. Oh.
Mr. Leader, sir, what is that?
Nah, he ran through when you guys weren't looking.
Where's that lead to?
Place to Dooley.
No, no. we went
Oh, Dooley went up there, huh?
Where's that hole lead to?
Go find out.
Ah, Robert, we're going on an adventure. Come on, good sir. I'm in. Tally-ho. Come, Patsy.
So, okay, I got you guys. You. Where's our other inexperienced scouts?
Oh, Dooley,
Yeah.
He's right
I'll
behind
be
you.
honest. This leads to nothing. Wait,
You want me to go first?
leads from that side of the hole.
Yeah, you should send Matt first.
Well, exactly. Oh,
Send
yeah,
us
this is
through.
way
It's
different.
it's got his name on it.
Oh, wait, never mind.
Hello.
Hello.
How'd you get there?
I don't know.
has his ways.
I made a wrong turn somewhere.
So, oh, there we go. Who's coming through?
Okay, so I think it's
Patrick, all right.
Oh, is it?
I will beat you. Wait, here's what he put in Cartman.
Could be. There's Matt.
Cartman.
You guys can explore anywhere in this hallway.
Oh,
All the way up there, to all the way back there. There's little nooks and crannies that you can go into.
The rock above your head is scary looking.
Oh, yeah, no.
That's what we call a hanging rock hall.
Call Louisville this time.
All these big rocks.
You know what? Never mind. No, I don't want to do that. That's
exactly.
I'll go under the rock.
Okay.
I'll go over the big
Very good.
Well, no,
You guys didn't do the keyhole.
Oh, we should do the keyhole.
Is the water back there or is it over there?
I don't think there's any water today.
What's the
It's
keyhole?
been, down the next hole down.
Like the hole where you have to like.
Let's do the keyhole.
No, this is the one that's down here, and it's wider at the top, and then it looks like an old-fashioned keyhole. It's circular at the top, and then it gets narrow.
You have no room to speak though. You have a dump. Are you doing dump? Are you doing dump? He's saying there's a funny thing. What?
he said, "Oh my God, there's a bunny."
There's a bunny.
Hey, I don't think he's okay.
Who? Nathan or
Nathan.
or the imaginary bunny?
The imaginary body.
Where did he
Where are you
go?
going, Robert?
I'm working on it.
Take your time, guys.
Bunny?
Bro, there's no way bunny could be down here.
Is there a bunny down there?
Has there ever been a bunny down here?
I don't know. Raccoons, yes.
I can't tell if he's joking.
He's joking.
If quizzes are quizzical and
There's a hole back down the wall.
hold on,
Are we not going that way?
parkour guys.
Not that way.
Not that way.
There's that.
There's wildlife.
Oh my goodness.
Some of them circle around and come out someplace else. Some of them don't.
What's through here? I need to get my foot out of that crack.
Uh-oh, he's singing.
Yeah. The fact that he's singing is not a good sign.
No. Oh, I saw a light come out behind me.
Alright, yeah, there's another hole up here that leads to the crack.
All right.
It's a little confined.
It might come out. Might come out over here.
Let's see. That was what Nathan was.
Well, I was in a hole over her. And it was like up where you were that the hole will come down.
Yeah, no, I see it. I'm going back.
It looks a little tight. And then it also goes up, but it goes to the right.
Yeah, I know.
Gotta go explore.
Alright, Patsy, maybe that's not the way. A little hot. I don't even need my leg. This man is illuminated in all forms. Ugh. Now let's figure out where I go. It's a little dark.
Uh-oh. It got dark with your light off.
Yeah,
Why's your light off?
'cause I had your light.
Oh, okay.
Kind of ruins the point of having this one. Yours is like a spotlight.
It is.
It's a T-Move flashlight.
It's a searchlight here.
Your light.
Oh.
Oh, there's a hole down that way. Robert, why didn't you? Where are you? Did you go down? Julie, are you up there? Did you go down or forward? Up. I thought you went down. Where? A small hole in the ground? Like,
Both ways don't lead anywhere. I want to see where that goes. There's plants?
yes.
You mean tree roots?
Robert.
It's hot.
You work up a sweat with this.
Cold when you go down. Yeah, I'm not going to the tiny house. Not today. a dead end back there?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's just an out and back.
Oh.
You guys are doing this like you did it before.
Drink it. Healthy.
Oh, nice. Oh, wait, we've been that way.
So, Robert,
Yeah, that's one of those.
Yeah, that's probably not good.
where do you think this hole is? Does this hole lead anywhere?
That hole either leads somewhere or nowhere.
It does, but I'm not going to tell you where. You're going to have to find out for yourself.
You first.
Yes, sir. I know my job.
I can't.
Go that way.
Oh, God.
If you want me to get in the hole, let me get in the hole. Then let me get in the hole.
Don't go head first.
Yes. How much you want me to go?
That's it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to rescue this man, Noah. Noah, grab one of his legs.
Now you're looking down there.
Can you go anywhere?
Yes, you can.
This is scary.
Oh my God, I see Jupiter.
You go next.
No, it's caught in there.
I ain't going head first down there. Yeah. Wait, Dooley, is this the one we went in last time we were here?
No. No, it's not.
Does it lead anywhere?
I mean, I'm in a big area now.
Really?
Yeah. I can stand it all around.
Like football game? Oh,
Did that building come down to the left of you?
there's a Dooley, there's a way. This is the.
No, dueling makes everything worse.
No. No, can you even read them?
What are you doing? Are you okay? You're built like the cave diver meme.
Go by or back up. I don't care where you go. I can't move.
You are built like the cave diver
You just
meme.
go.
Grab it. All right, hold on. Nathan, which way are you going?
Down.
You are going down, okay.
He's built like the cave diver meme.
I know, I'm coming. No, this doesn't feel right. Yeah, okay, you join her.
Okay. That's the way to do it.
Yeah, up. I'm kind of tempted.
All right, where are we
Yeah, they
going?
went down there.
Oh, okay.
Well, there's a big enough opening on this side. I could see through there.
There is a one there.
Do we have to go down that way or are we going around?
I don't know, Mr. Maddox, where are we going?
Coming up this way, towards me.
All right, we're gonna go through Mr. Maddox.
Where do we go this way?
Q's a Minecraft.
That way there's a hole at the far end.
Yeah, I know. I've seen mold.
What's that?
Oh, there's another hole right here.
Rocks can't move.
Oh, yes.
Dooley?
Yeah, this is where we were before. This is the original hole I went through.
Wait, Robert, where are you?
I did try to
Out
do
where
it.
Matt is.
What?
Out where Matt is.
How?
It's all
I do try to do a very intense workout
Oh, wait, you're right there.
It's so big.
Oh, that's why.
I've been trying to get my wife to clean the basement so I can get the.
Well, Robert, I think I'm gonna come up with it.
4 years, huh? I don't like electrical. We have an electrical. She loves it. I hate them. That was actually what I was aiming. I know I couldn't make that. But I was like, if I can pop and land, I'll be alright. Alright, enjoy your day.
I don't think so. You guys coming up? It does go down there, doesn't it?
Hold up, I'm trying not to die.
I'm not sure what you guys did.
They are going down?
You guys coming up?
Yeah, and I think it was your fault that not cleaning. Yeah. Why did you let me put all those things there?
I'm going to scoop my hands this way. If you want to go check that out, you can.
Check what?
Worst comes to worst, we'll just pull you out of it.